Welcome to our video comparing two of the latest smartphone gimbals on the market, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 and the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique for videographers and content creators. Let's dive in! The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 boasts features like Active Track 6.0 for reliable subject tracking and a built-in extension rod for versatile shooting angles. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT offers an OLED display for easy monitoring, a magnetic RGB fill light for enhanced lighting, and gesture control for convenient operation. Each gimbal has unique features that cater to different filming needs. In terms of design, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is compact and foldable, making it easy to carry around. It's lightweight at 290 grams, perfect for vloggers on the go. In contrast, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT, weighing 375 grams, has a more professional look with its OLED display and additional features, which may appeal to serious filmmakers. Both designs serve their purpose well, but cater to different user preferences. When it comes to pricing, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is priced at $109, making it a slightly more affordable option compared to the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT, which retails for $115. While the price difference is minimal, it may influence buyers who are budget conscious. Both gimbals offer great value for their respective features. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 and the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT have their strengths and weaknesses. The Osmo Mobile 6 is perfect for those who prioritize portability and ease of use, while the AOCHUAN XPRO kit is ideal for users looking for advanced features and professional capabilities. We hope this comparison helped you decide which gimbal is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.